City morning buzz, footsteps kiss the stone, reflections on the glass, and a walking alone. Shops lined up in rows, colors catch my eye. Daydreams and displays as the people pass by. Window browsing, no need to buy, just the feeling of a life passing by. I'm floating slow in a downtown glow. Window browsing, taking it slow. Inside my coat, street sounds blend and fade, thinking thoughts I wrote